In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a scrolling capture. A scrolling capture lets you grab a single, seamless image of content that extends beyond the visible area of your screen, like a long web page, a tall dashboard, or a lengthy chat thread. We'll use Snagit's all-in-one capture with panoramic capture to do this cleanly and quickly. Start by making sure the all-in-one tab is selected. Click the capture button to bring up the crosshairs. Position the crosshairs at the top left corner of the content you want, click and drag to the bottom right corner. This defines the area Snagit will stitch together as you scroll. Take a second to fine-tune the selection. Use the handles around the edges to tighten it up, so you're capturing exactly what you need. For the cleanest result, avoid including the scroll bars inside the selection area. Keeping them out prevents dark edges or alignment issues in the final image. When your selection looks good, click the panoramic capture button. You'll see a prompt to begin scrolling. You can scroll using your mouse wheel, trackpad, or by carefully dragging the scroll bar. The key is to move at a steady, controlled pace. Smooth, consistent scrolling helps Snagit align each slice of the page and stitch everything together without visible seams. If a section takes a moment to load, pause briefly so the content is fully rendered before you continue. Try to keep your cursor off interactive elements that might trigger pop-ups or hover states that could block text. As you scroll, Snagit stitches the image in real time and shows it in a preview window so you can confirm everything is lining up. Keep going until you've captured all the content you need. When you're done, click Done. Snagit will finalize the stitch and open your capture in the Snagit editor, where it's ready to preview, edit, and share. If your captured image looks tiny at first, that's normal with very tall or wide screenshots. To see it clearly, change the zoom to actual size. This will display the image at true scale so you can check details, verify text readability, and confirm there are no gaps. From there, you can make any edits you like, such as cropping stray edges before exporting or sharing. That's all it takes to create a smooth, professional scrolling capture. Define a clean selection, use panoramic capture, scroll steadily, click Done, and view at actual size to check your work.